Today we are going to begin with the letter T. The letter T appears very simple, but there are 2-3 things which you have to keep in mind while making it. We are going up as a slant line till the red line and coming down on the same line till the time you reach between the two blue lines and then take a turn. So this will give it a slant appearance. In case if you don't give a turn here, for the people with straight writing will go up as a straight line, come down on the same line. This is one formation of T. You go up as a slant line, and when you're coming down, just when you reach the blue line, you're separating it and you come down as a straight line. So this will neither look straight nor it will look slant. Avoid separating this at this point. Always prefer when you're reaching the 3/4 part of the line, or you can say between the two blue lines, you can then separate it. So this will give you a perfect T's. Never exceed the lines. Okay, this has to be avoided. Vice versa, it can be shorter. That is okay. If it is not reaching the red line, it is fine. This is still acceptable. Once you're done with it, you're going to make 4T at same distance, and they must look alike. The purpose of making it 4 times is we are writing the T in the same way that they look identical. So when you are using it in the writing also, you come up with the same form and you're not changing it every time. Okay, so in case you're not able to achieve 4 of them looking identical, you have to again practice it in a set of 4 till the time you achieve the perfect results.
That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!